Traders, Anthony here. This is going to be brief. What I'm going to do in this video is summarize a very high probability trend continuation strategy. And I want to point out a couple of things that could make or break you as a trader. Firstly, if you're trading odd lot sizes without a trading plan, you're seriously asking for trouble. The key to successful trading, in my opinion, is having a consistent strategy or plan that you implement over and over again. It's stress-free. You set your stops, your targets, you commit to that. Either your stop gets hit or your target is reached. That's it. Stress-free trading. And you have to have a plan, a trading plan. I'm going to show you the key things that we're looking for with this, or the key things that I'm looking for. And I mean, if you develop a good strategy, a reliable strategy, and you follow it to the T, you know that it'll give you a 60, 70, 80% win rate, whatever that is. You've hit the jackpot. So I'm going to run through just briefly the basics of an ideal trend continuation trade setup. So here's my particular set of rules. This is what I'm looking for. Here it is. You need a reliable source of trade signals. Here they are. When these go off, it brings us into the chart. We have a look. Okay, in this case here, we've got a green dot. This is telling us that the market is most likely hitting stops. It's a green dot. So we need to make sure that the weekly is bullish, daily is bullish. If you're wanting to trade this on the daily, then the signal goes off on the 3 or the 5 minute and we take the trade on the daily. We're not so invested in the lower time frames. It's, in this case, we're looking for an entry on the daily time frame here. We come into this chart and we see that this is pulled back into the mean here. We've got a swing low, swing high on the weekly, retrace, that's it. On the daily, we've got a swing low, swing high, retrace into the mean, this midline, weekly, daily, take the trade. That's it. This is the alert, the signal. Now the other key thing is, see this shaded zone here? Well, this is trading into the New York Open, and we're looking for the opportunity in this particular time zone. The same thing applies for the London Open. If we see the same opportunity there, we'll take the trade, and the Asia Open as well. We've got different colored shaded areas for these different times. Got a list of things that need to fall into place. Time, price swing has to be giving me the retrace, and that's it. Have a look at this on the weekly. There's your price swing and retrace. Here it is on the daily. Well, the price swing here, I'm going to go with this swing low, swing high. Previous swing low to swing high, back down in. This previous red candle, okay, so this is an accumulation range, so it trades back into it. Look at it. That's it. Just going to keep it really simple. So once we establish a trade like this on the higher time frame and we're in sync with the banks are looking to buy in the market, then we can come down to the lower time frame and build on this position. We can add, so we open up a 1 hour chart. This is what we do here. And these alerts are going to fire on the 3 minute. We enter here, swing low, swing high, pull back, we enter here. And I mean, that's it. We build our positions. First position, actually, we jumped in back in here. That was our first entry point. There's a retrace back in here, we jump in. There's a retrace back in here, we jump in. And on the higher time frame, it's the same thing applies. Every pullback, we're in. We stay in this until it trades into the cloud. I've done tutorials on this strategy. We go into detail, and there'll be more. So whatever instrument you're trading, this absolutely applies. Forex, crypto, metals, commodities, the indexes, whatever you want to trade. And what I do is I'm looking for the opportunity on TradingView. I mean, the alerts go off. I do all my TA. I set up an entry. For example, I'll just use this position tool here. All right, let's just say that's my setup, that I've got these levels, and then I head over to MT4 and I simply use these levels and open my trades on MT4. Okay guys, I mean, that's pretty much it. Jump on board with us. Show me lunch once a month. You have access to my Telegram VIP group. Actually, I'm posting all my live trades in there. Trades that I'm taking on a real account. They go into my Telegram group. You get all our tutorials, TradingView indicators, everything. So with that, I look forward to hearing from you. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.